Hello and welcome back. Yes, we're on day 4 out of 5 of our week-long series on how to grow your Instagram following for your carpet cleaning business. I'm Ruben from Legend Brands, and yesterday we spoke about how to properly search tags so that you might engage with the Instagram community of the target audience you are trying to reach, and how at the same time you can rapidly grow your own following. It was a great video. If you haven't watched it, click on this here. But today, things are heating up. We're near the end of our series. You guys are becoming pros. We're going to talk about growing the loyalty of your following base, and at the same time getting a second swing at some of those profiles you implemented yesterday's strategy for who have yet to follow you back. Now, you've heard me mention before that this is about quality and not quantity. That is what today's episode is all about. Building that loyalty to your content is vital on Instagram. It's quite easy to pick up thousands of followers on Instagram by just clicking on someone within your industry and going through all their followers and following pages and just hitting follow. Chances are about 15% of them will follow you back, but they'll have no idea who you are or what you do. So this is about really growing that quality so that the content that you put out has maximum reach, has maximum impact. Now, you might be thinking, and it would be perfectly valid to say, that everything we've talked about up until this point, and including what we're going to talk about today, has been about engaging with other carpet cleaners, because those are the ones who are using the industry-specific hashtags that we're searching for and tagging ourselves and engaging with. But those carpet cleaning companies are not your target customer. Your target customer is the homeowner or the business owner, the decision makers who will pick up their phone, ask you to come and clean their facility or home or whatever it might be. So doing what we're doing, is that not counterproductive? Are you missing your target audience altogether? Well, no. Unfortunately, homeowners and business owners, when they need it, don't make Instagram posts that are tagged hashtag I need my carpets cleaned. So instead, what you need to do is think about Instagram as being like a search engine. These people who are our target customers might use Instagram as their only social media platform, and they may well use it as the best method for finding business, finding companies and services that they need. How are they going to do that? They are going to use those same hashtags in the search bar, just like we did in yesterday's episode, hashtag carpet cleaning Washington, something like that. And we want to make sure that you pop up high up in that list, and we also want to make sure that when they click on that, you have a lot of followers, you have a lot of rapport, you have a great call to action, you're showing photos and media that display that you know what you're doing, that you offer a quality service, and right there on your profile, it has your number, it has that call to action, and this will earn you business, mark my words. All right. Well, with that being said, speaking of followers, as you probably know by now, we're tracking my followers to make sure that what I'm telling you to do actually works. Here's the amount of followers I now at. Here's how many I've gained since the start of this series. We're shooting for 100 followers over these 5 days. Yeah, all right, I'm gonna step it up. We're near the end now. Let me know how you're getting on in the comments below. And what today's episode is about is to ensure that these followers that we're picking up are lifelong followers, they're quality followers, they are people who are gonna know who we are and what we're about. So with that being said, let's throw 59 seconds on that clock. Let's get into it. Start on your home feed. Click on the first post that interests you and engage with it. Next, you want to see if this user is currently following you back at present. For this, I'd highly recommend having a third-party app or software installed on your device. If you are working natively in the Instagram app, you would have to click on your followers list and search for the user. If the user is already a follower of yours, head back to your home feed. If not, repeat the process I showed you in yesterday's tip. Remember to always be genuine and be yourself. Engage with the content that stands out the most to you. The goal of interacting with a single user in bulk at a time as much as possible is so that when they receive the notifications you are shown as being a fan, and the chance for them to click on your image and follow you in return and engage with you is highly increased. Also, it's a way of building loyalty with those you are connected with on the platform. Now, the frequency with which you want to do this process is determined by the number of people you follow. It's a good idea to engage with multiple posts at once, so don't do this too frequently that you have maxed out that user's posts, but don't do it too infrequently that the user has forgotten who you are. So there we go, guys. I hope you're feeling inspired. I hope this series is helping you to feel more comfortable with your Instagram marketing. Please let me know what you think. One way you can do that is to like this video, share it across your social media platforms, and most importantly for me, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. It actually really makes a difference. Join us tomorrow. We're going to round off our series by talking about the dreaded business profile within Instagram. We're going to talk about how you can use those tools and the analytics within that to fine-tune our Instagram messaging and maximize the impact that each of our posts have. All right, I will see you then. See ya.